Now, how to clean the floor. You put on your little sneakers. Make sure they go on. Yeah, put the sneakers on. Close. Get the mop ready. And then squeeze out the mop. Sorry, there we go. Squeeze it out. And then mop. And the cool thing about the shoes are that you don't get anything on the floor, and you can mop the floor right after, which helps clean it. So here we go. Let's get everything clean. Sometimes I have to go over it a couple of times because once the water gets on the spot, then it loosens it up. There we go. A little spot right there. Yeah. It's not a very big kitchen, so there's not too much I have to do. Of course, the thorough sweeping before mopping is always important. I put a little bit of this really nice lemongrass Ecos soap. It's a hand soap. I put that on with lemongrass. Delightful smell. I put that in the water, and the floor is going to look so clean after I finish this. Cannot even believe it. And looks like I may have to move something out of the way to make sure I get everything clean, which is worth it, even though it's a little bit of trouble. Some spots here. Of course, where the dog eats, always messy, so I'll have to take that up. All that stuff will have to come up. Otherwise, it's a clean floor, but the dog's part is all messy. Yeah, it's amazing how fast the floor gets dirty. It's unbelievable. Yeah, it's hard to kind of wash the floor with one hand and film in the other hand. Of course, I'm sure this is going to be a big YouTube favorite because, you know, because I'm doing it. That's why I see the spot. I need to get that off there. Fingernail is the best way to do that. There we go. Okay, it's coming up. Yeah. And don't be afraid to put a little hand grease in. Yeah. And then, all right, I'll have to pull that up. It's hard to pull that up while I have the phone in my hand. One more round across everything, because I told you everything gets loosened up on the first round. Then it gets picked up on the second. I might want to actually, you know, do a little water change over. Yep, the water's looking dark. That's a good sign that, you know, things are happening. Good things are happening. Dust is being picked up. So we'll just finish this floor off, which only takes a few minutes, as you can see. I'll move this thing back. Let's see. Move this back. There we go. So then I can clean right here. And already the floor looks way better, although it's good to always do some deep cleaning, at least once every half year to do a deep cleaning, or maybe more actually. So once that part is done, and I can drop this into the water, and now I go around and I scooch my feet to dry. So this is the part where you dry the floor, which is great. And so it doesn't get like marks on it from walking with like shoe prints or something like that. And this is just extra in case there's anything extra on the floor. I'm going to pick it up with my shoes. And then this stuff I'm going to put this in the sink, clean this off for thorough cleaning. And then this here also gets picked up. You can see that there's some junk there that if I was really doing this properly, I would have gotten that initially. So I'm gonna have to go back with the broom and pick that up. So let's do that now. See if we can do that while we're on the video. Oh yeah, look at all that dirt. All that dirt's coming up. Okay, let's put this down. Hold on. Oh, there's some dirt in the corner. At that. Hold on a second. Sorry, it's close up. And then this thing is not very good. Yeah. All right, it's better. Okay, and then throw this out. But by the time I'm throwing this stuff out, my Flora, love this trash can. It opens automatically. You must have one of those. That's like a key celebrity endorsement. You'll find that endorsed on my YouTube channel. Uh-oh, there's still an offending piece of dirt here. I'm not sure what that is. Something the dog left. But I can pick it up. I'm not beyond that. Okay, and then I'm gonna finish up the floor. Looking good. Already looking pretty dry. Looking awesome. And then under here. And then on here. I don't know if I did this. Kind of walk like pigeon-toed. It's really fun to do this and good exercise. Burning up calories as I go. And then you can see the bottom of the shoe shows, yeah, time to put in the wash. Okay, that's my video. Thanks for tuning into my YouTube channel.